Hey everybody. So I'm just gonna kind of do the recording because Jody's working on putting an electric gate valve in and I need to get the video done. So I was just gonna tell you about this video. On this video we're basically finishing up arches. We got tickets to Fiery Furnace, which we were really excited about. You have to, it's like a lottery with the tickets, and when I first got in there was none available, and then I happened to get in and they were actually available, so that was awesome. So we were really excited about that, and that's what the majority of the video is about, because that place is just crazy. Like they don't give you, you have to go to a meeting and they give you all kinds of rules. Like you have to buy these bags in case you have to go to the bathroom, because it's a huge, you get in big trouble if you try to go to the bathroom off trail, which sometimes you have to do when you're hiking. But and we had to walk in like creek washes or on solid rock. Like we were very specific about where we could go, and then just there's all kinds of different rules, and you have to have your permit. And at the beginning Jody talks about he had 4 people that were in there that shouldn't have been in there, and so he just politely told them, you need a permit to be in here, because you have it on your backpack the whole time, so it's easily, you can notice who has them. So anyway, so the Fiery Furnace, you just explore in there. We did do all trails because I wanted to see all the different arches and stuff, but they encourage you to just go. And we were with people for a while, and Jody even went back to try to find them because they didn't come the way we did. And yeah, it's really crazy, but it was a great adventure. And then the second thing we did was Tower Arch, which is in the back part of Arches. So not too many people venture down the road from in Arches, because they say it's very, very tough to get down that road. But we went exploring from our boondocking spot, and that was actually took us to the back entrance of Arches. So it was awesome. There were a few people on the trail, but not a lot at all. And it was really pretty. So that's the second thing on this video is Tower Arches. So so that finishes up our time at Arches. So I hope you enjoy this video.
Okay, we are at Fiery Furnace, and we just stopped a couple from coming in because they had nothing on, and you're supposed to display your permit on the back of your backpack, and it's a $500 fine. So yeah, and then a group of 3 was coming out, and they didn't have a permit. Okay, we just came through a bunch of boulders that we had to cross up through. So yeah, this is the path. Oh, my leg will fit through there. And it looks like Do we go left or right? See no arrows. I'm guessing it's left.
I think it's this way.
This way? Okay, so this is back in a dead end. It's a spur where we go off. And the arrow pointed to the spur. And there's a little baby arch here. That's what they ought to call this, baby arch.
Like Baby Shark?
You're gonna have trouble getting down from there. What will we call this one? If that's baby arch, then this is infant potty arch.
There you go.
Okay, we just almost got stuck through there. Now we're going through here.
Okay, yeah, we're off trail.
So it's not this way?
No.
We got to go up that way?
Okay, look.
I cannot believe. Here.
Yeah, there's sand on it.
That ain't.
Yeah. So you say.
So I'll bet you the trail was where that. Okay, we finally found our way through. We were lost for a little bit. Oh, yeah. Jeez. Bunch of birds, I can hear them throughout here. There's some like hoodoos. It's definitely an adventure. You ought to see our All Trails app.
Yeah.
Here's the arrow. Well, look at that crack up there. Think maybe that's where you go. There probably ain't nothing back there. Oh wow. Well, that's weird how this is a dead end. Oh, there's people back here. Gotta climb up here. Holy cow. There's an arch left there. Okay, this is as far as we need to go, Michelle. So here comes Michelle.
Just let me try it. Let me try it.
Hey, you made it.
Yay.
Jeez, how far back is this? Did I miss something? Yep. It's pretty neat. Wow.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a mask.
Yeah.
A mask arch.
Hey, we're having to do some more bouldering. Got to come down through here and hop across. Then we really got to hop over here. That's pretty steep. I don't know if I can just walk down that and step. Nope, I'm gonna have to sit down. It's too steep. Ugh. And slide down. Slide down. Whoa. Oh my.
I bet people go up that. Oh no, the grass.
I am going the right way, right? That's the only way that I know of. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Oh, crap. Oh, I dropped it. All right, I'll get to show you what Michelle does. Who came up with this trail?
That's just it.
A mountain goat did.
Trail.
Oh, that hurt my Achilles tendon. Oh, I know what she's gonna do. She's gonna do the sideways walk. Madison, I think, would like this. Wouldn't she? Huh? Okay. I'm worried about these things being too narrow for a fat guy to fit through with a backpack. So you have to turn sideways. Oh my gosh. This is narrow. Holy cow. I don't... Gee, Manetly.
Okay, we just climbed up over there and had to slide down.
This is narrow.
And now we're going through narrow passages. Squeezing through. We are squeezing through. Okay, so we just came across, all these boulders that...
We gotta go through here?
Oh my, this must not be good.
Holy mackerel. Are you sure we're on the right trail? How can I get through there?
So apparently we gotta go through this somehow. Man, if you come in the Fiery Furnace, I definitely recommend doing the AllTrails app. Because there's no way. They say just to explore, but I feel like you would miss a ton of stuff if you didn't have the AllTrails app. So I highly recommend the AllTrails app.
Oh, man. If I get stuck, don't cut off my arm.
That's...
With that arm! Ow! Oh, my left shoulder. Oh.
It just sucks if we're not on the trail.
Yeah.
Okay, we're still making our way through This is legit crazy. Like, this is by far... Oh yeah, if we didn't have all trails, we would miss like so much of it. Like, we would be so lost. It'd be scary. So, yeah, this is nuts. Fun, but crazy. Okay, we're making our way, we think, to Surprise Arch, and then we'll come back out, and then we'll almost be done. Man, if it went for all trails, wow. I'd be a little nervous in here because you could really get lost. Big time. So now we got to figure out how to get through this narrow crevice. And here is Surprise Arch. We found it. We did it. I think we saw all the spurs and all the arches. So there it is. It's like a bridge. Pretty cool. So we just came down those steps, and then we got to go down into this canyon, and it looks like the trail's over there. So we're almost to the end. This has been quite the adventure, let me tell you. Pretty crazy. Okay, we're down. We came from back over there. So we are, should be pretty much at the end of the hike, but if there's anything else interesting, I'll video it. But anyhow, it was quite the adventure. It's definitely awesome. Just exploring and being out here, and not many people. You forget that you're even in a popular park like Arches, so definitely adventure, and you could spend hours and hours and hours in here. It's only about we went like 3 miles, but you could just be in here for, you have from sunrise to sunset with your permit. So, and this is just what we explored in. We were all throughout there. All throughout there. So that's where we just spent the last several hours exploring. So we're going back to the parking lot now. So we came in the back way,
There it is right here.
where we were boondocked. We came in the back way to Arches, and this
we
is
came in from this road.
Oh yeah, we came in from down here. This is where we're boondocked, Salt Valley, and then we came up this way. But we're gonna see marching men, and then here's the. This is the.
So we go all the way to Tower Arch, and then we come back.
Wonder what this is. Huh. Anyway, so yeah, we're in the back side of. Oh, look, that's what you have to see. That's what a lot of people can't get there from in the park.
Oh, because here's the road. Here's where we are. You keep going down, and here's you come out at near Sand Dune Arch, Devil's Garden. Right there, balanced rock.
Anyway, so this is 2.6 miles. Oh, this says the elevation is just 290. All Trail says it's 600. So 290 is not too bad.
That's the round trip.
So we're just doing that
that's round trip.
this morning before we leave. So
well, that would be 2.6.
so this is Tower Arch Trail.
So I probably don't need all.
It says this trail climbs a short rock wall, cuts across a valley, and then meanders through sandstone fens and sand dunes. Only drivers with high clearance four-wheel drive vehicles and technical driving experience should tackle Arch's challenging four-wheel drive road. But since we came in from the backside, we didn't have a challenging road. So we are, see, they're up there. They're climbing up. You got to climb up there, and then you get over into there. So I think that's the majority of your up. So it's so amazing. It's so awesome. We're getting this hike in before we move. So we're getting some movement today. And I love being back at I mean, there's people on the trail with us, but it's not a real, you know, it's hard to get to trail, so not a lot of people have done this one, so it's pretty cool.
Okay, I guess this is called Marching Men here, all down through there. I guess those are all marching men. There's like 6 of them or whatever. Still trying to figure out where the trail's going.
Yeah, we get to climb up. There's the marching men. I think Jody already videoed them, but and we got to go up a sand dune. That deep sand is so hard to walk through. Gosh, how amazing is this? Just amazing. Man. God's artwork. We love the mountains and the pine trees and that, but there's also beauty in all these rocks and the formations. Blue sky, beautiful weather. Such a blessing that this is how we get our exercise.
Okay, we made it to Tower Arch. There it is.
So we're coming back out, and this is the valley we just hiked out of. So amazing. It's like we're out here all to ourselves. And to be in Arches National Park in this desolate is just amazing. Those rocks have white on top of them. Over there. Very cool. So we've come up out of the valley and that we were hiking through, but look at this. This is what we drove through. We're boondock that way. But this is just so cool. But you have to go back that way into Arches. Well, we're technically in Arches, but it's just really neat, that overlooking that. And then the parking lot is straight down there, so.
Okay, we're at the end of the hike. And we got a steep descent to the parking lot. There's going to be some big time, because coming up it was pretty good climb. I think we came up this way. Thing is, you gotta keep an eye out for the trail, because you don't know where it's going sometimes, unless you see rock cairns. I don't know if we came over this way or if we went that way. It looks like it's over that way. Hope your shoes hold. That was not the hardest part yet. We haven't got to that yet. But you can see that it's just steep, straight down, not...
Both ways and I can never see it. So I think there's a rock wall in front of it this way. Good luck.
Huh? Yeah, I know, but there's like steps over there. But I'm trying to find a way down from here.
I think it's right there where you're at.
Yeah, just there's not a very big or much of a step there. I mean, it's a big... Okay. Michelle's got it.
So thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and we appreciate all your support. And we're here in Glacier still, and we are getting ready to have our friends from up in Canada come down. Paul and Deb, and then Bill and Tracy Keckley are on their way. So we're going to have several people here with us, and we just we're with a couple from Sullivan, Ashley and Drew. We took them on a hike and took Ashley on the Going to the Sun Road and did a couple things with them. They were in Whitefish at a music festival, so we got to spend time with them. So it's been awesome being with people from home and just sharing the beauty, because we love Glacier so much. It was awesome to share the beauty with them. So anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this, and we thank you very much for your support. And as Jody always says, remember, God loves you and Jesus saves you. See ya.